I'm Debbie from thehomeofinteriors.co.uk, and this video is going to talk you through the bespoke side-by-side blinds from the Home of Interiors. As we're seeing glazing panels and windows and doors getting larger and larger, we are being asked more for side-by-side blinds to fit across bifold or sliding doors or just large expanses of glazing. And the biggest challenge we've found in our research is that many systems don't offer a balanced light gap from the control to the non-control side and in between the blinds. And we feel this attention to detail is really important. If we were specifying the blinds for our own home, we would want to centralise the light gap in between our blinds to the frame on our sliding doors. So working with our manufacturer, we have specified a balanced side-by-side blind system. The example that I've got here is the medium system, and this offers 20mm light gaps at the control ends and in between the blinds. Depending on your blind size, you may need to go up to the larger system, and that would give you 30mm light gaps at each end and in between the blinds. In our research of bifold and sliding doors, we have found that the premium frames have a 20mm sight line. So the 20mm light gap on the medium system is going to be suitable for most installations. So when ordering these blinds, there's a few options available. So you can have side-by-side blinds all operating with their own control mechanism, whether that be a chain or a motor. Or you may want to have some of the blinds interconnected, so that multiple blinds will be operated from a single chain or motor. If you're looking for interconnected blinds, the maximum number of blinds that can be operated by a single control, whether that be a chain or a motor, is 4. The maximum width of a single blind is 2.2 to 2.3 metres, depending on your drop and your fabric choice. And the maximum span we can do is up to 6 metres and to control 4 blinds with one control. To reduce the light gap in between blinds, you can remove this chain adjuster, but we don't recommend that. The blinds will come delivered all set up to drop to the same, to the same level. But over time, you may find that the fabric just moves very slightly on the roll, and it may just come out of alignment over time. And this little chain adjuster here will enable you to reset the blinds so that they're perfectly aligned again. So we wouldn't recommend that. If, however, that's not a concern for you, or you want a chain on, you're just ordering 2 blinds and you want a chain, one on the right, one on the left, we don't have to supply the centre section, and then you can reduce the light gap in the middle down to 10mm on the medium system and down to 20mm on the large system. So I'll just show you the example that I've got here. So these are interconnected blinds operating with just a single chain for the 2 blinds. Please refer to our website, as we have pulled together several examples to show you different options with side-by-side blinds, and we also have a step-by-step measuring guide as well. We will ask for the measurements for each blind, and that will be taking the measurement if you're fitting within a recess, from the wall on the one side to the centre of the frame, or where you want the centre of your light gap to be. And then from centre position to centre position, keep going along the blinds, and then from centre position to the wall on the other side. We will then work out the total length, so that's just a double check to make sure that all the blind sizes are correct, and that will be automatically calculated for you to check in your recess that all blinds add up to the total width. The measuring guide also gives some hints on how to measure when the skirting boards we need to take into account, and also door handles or protruding window frames. Please do refer to the website though for the different scenarios and examples that we pull together, as it may give you some ideas for your situation. So for example, if you've got a fixed glazing panel, you might want that blind to operate independently. And then if you've got 2 opening panels, you may want those 2 blinds to be interconnected and operate together. Likewise, depending on where the sun comes in your room, you may want 2 blinds to operate together, as to block the sun, and other blinds to be independent. So there's really a lot of different scenarios, and you can mix and match to suit your requirements. On the website as well, if you've got angles in your room, there are some measuring guides for 90-degree bends as well in your glazing, which is quite common over bifold and sliding doors. The sample that I'm showing you here is on a mounting profile. However, they are available just to be ordered with the standard brackets. This is just for the sample purposes, just so that they're easier to hold. So you can just order standard brackets. The option to add a capital fascia or a blind space box is also available on the website. These items can be ordered independently. So if you want to, particularly with the blind space blind box, if you want to get the box in your ceiling to conceal the blinds, then you could order these first with the blinds to follow, or you could order them together if it's easier for you. The blind space blind box fits into the ceiling and just offers a really nice, sleek, polished look, and the blinds just disappear into the blind space blind box. Alternatively, you may wish to conceal the top of your roller blinds with a capital fascia. These are available in two sizes, so this is the 90mm and this is the 120mm. And they're available in the brushed silver, anthracite, champagne, white, cream and black. Please note the 90mm is only available in black, anthracite, white and brushed silver. If you're embarking on a project and we can offer any assistance, please do get in touch. Please email sales@thehomeofinteriors.co.uk or please call us on 01590 615 775 and a member of the team would be delighted to help. We offer a bespoke design consultation service both virtually and face-to-face from our design room in Brockenhurst. So if that's of interest, please go onto the website and in the menu at the top you can click on Bespoke Design Service and book an appointment. It's great for us to see and visualise your space. But if it is a new build and you've got architect's plans, then please email those over and we can take a look at those and give you some advice as well. We can also do the fabric sieving for you. We realise there's a plethora of fabric options out there, so if we have a brief, we can arrange for a curated range of samples to be sent to you that still offers you choice, but just refines that search for you. We hope you found this video useful and informative. If you have, please do give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel to be kept up to date with new product news, product information and useful hints and tips for your interiors. Thank you very much for watching.